Hi, I'm Sean with Catalina Rug, and in this video we're going to show you the best practices for vacuuming your Persian or Oriental rug at home. So we'll show you how to vacuum your rug. We'll share with you what type of vacuum we use here at Catalina Rug. And so if you're interested about taking care of your Persian or Oriental rug and you want to learn how to better vacuum your rug, then stick around, and all that is coming up now. Alright, so first let's go over the type of vacuum that we recommend to use when you're vacuuming a Persian or Oriental rug. So we recommend using a light canister vacuum like this one, and also make sure that you're not using anything that's heavy duty, that's industrial. And when it comes to the power head, you want to get something that doesn't have any sort of beater bar, something that's, again, lighter weight, and it's gonna usually come with this type of light canister vacuum. So the actual vacuuming process itself is pretty straightforward and easy. You're just vacuuming the rug side to side, and this way you are avoiding pulling on the pile of the rug directly or going directly against the pile of the rug. And the only parts of the rug that you're going to avoid vacuuming are going to be the fringes of the rug, which are located at both ends. You can get close to the fringes, but just make sure that the fringes are not getting sucked into the vacuum, because this will pull on the fringes and over time it can damage the rug. This is a delicate part of the rug, so we generally want to avoid putting too much stress on this section. And something else that we recommend doing is to vacuum the back of your rug every 1 or 2 months. This is going to help loosen any sort of dirt or dust that's gone through the pile, and anything that's kind of accumulated underneath the rug, you could sweep it up this way. You don't have to flip the entire rug over. You could just flip over part of the rug to vacuum the back. Now, if you're wondering how often you should be vacuuming your Persian or Oriental rug, it really depends on how frequently the room is being used and how much traffic is on the rug. But typically we recommend vacuuming every 1 to 2 weeks to keep the dirt and dust from accumulating into the pile. And if you find that the room is not being used as often, then once a month is usually enough. So this concludes our video on how to vacuum your Persian or Oriental rug at home, and I really hope that you found this video helpful. Now, if you want to learn more about Oriental rug care, then I recommend you check out some of our other videos about this topic, and also you could head over to our site, catalinarug.com, where we have a lot of different recommendations and tips for you there. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, then I invite you to like and subscribe and comment below, and I will see you in the next video.